HP Incorporation, ticker HPQ, is the stock we're going to be analyzing today because they did release their earnings after hours yesterday. Now, what are some key levels we want to be paying attention to? So, to get straight into it, what you can see is obviously we've gapped down over 9% as we're recording this video. And what you can actually see is we have sold off, and the key levels we were paying attention to is obviously we did have the 28.75. And as we continue down, the 27.90. Now, this was actually quite a nice level for me. Intraday did actually get quite a nice day trade on this. Long bias off of this level to play the bounce. Now, we could definitely continue lower. So that I took as a day trade and could definitely look at a swing trade off here as well. But we do have one more level if we do continue down, or actually two more levels. And that's at $27 and $26. So these are two key levels of support. And what we tend to see off these earnings releases is, again, you kind of get that smash down, you get a bit of buying pressure, and then you do one more continuation to the downside. So for the swing bias levels, I'm paying a lot more attention to the $27 and $26 levels to be able to trade those. So we'll see how we continue down today. If we can continue lower, then obviously there's some supports we are paying attention to look at long bias. Now, what are some resistances? So again, if we're long from the 27.90 or below, targets are going to be the 28.75. So again, this would kind of be more of a scalp trade if we take this, or kind of a short-term day trade to trade 27.90 to 28.75. Now, if we break this, and again, this is going to be more swing bias levels, but if we do continue up, then we do have the 29.90 and $30.50 as those two key resistances on the way up. Now, these can be used in two ways. If you're a reversal trader such as myself, you're probably going to be looking to take these lower levels long bias and look to trade them into these upper targets. On the other hand, if you're a trend trader, you think the earnings are bad, you think we're going to continue to the downside, you're just looking for the entry, then that's where these 29.90s and the $30.50 levels could be quite key, and looking to kind of add into these short and look to trade down to the downside targets. So again, that's going to depend more on if you're a short buy or a trend trader or a reversal trader. The way I'm looking at it is the 27.90 and below long bias and targeting the 28.75, 29.90, and will probably be completely out by the $30.50.